Hello everyone. So welcome back to the another episode of the project learning series, project idea learning series in Codersarts. So in this video, we are going to introduce a new application called as the Panchayat service application, which is basically used for the rural area. So we are going to empower the rural community here. So we are going to develop our application, which can be used for the as the students or as a startup plan. So let's move to the slides. So in introduction, we can see we are going to give the name of this application known as the Panchayat service application. And the objective of creating this application is to create an Android application that can connect the citizens with their local panchayat, providing the information, services, and transparency. And we are going to do which are the target audience is the resident of the rural areas and panchayat officers and the government agencies, which are going to provide the services to the rural areas. So let's move to the next slide. What is the market overview and the problem statement here? So current challenges the people facing in this panchayat is basically limited awareness of the panchayat service and scheme. So we are going to show the awareness of the panchayat services and all the scheme provided by the government. And the secondly, we are going to show the difficulty in accessing the panchayat officials services. Okay, so there is a lot of different difficulty that the people are regularly facing. So lack of transparency in the panchayat activities, low participation in panchayat elections. The solution what we are going to provide is basically panchayat service application address these issues by providing the centralized platform for the information, communication, and the engagement. So we are going to provide this solution in our mobile application. So what is the key feature that we are going to provide in our application is, first of all, service information, detailed information on the service provided by the panchayat. So all the detailed information is provided by the panchayat, and the second one is the contact access. Easy ways to get in touch with the panchayat offices. Third one is the work tracking, transparency in the panchayat activities and progress tracking. Election information, a detail about the panchayat elections and the way to participate. And the fifth one is the government schemes, information on the various government scheme and their utilization. Sixth one, we are going to integrate the notifications here for the alert for important announcement and the updates from the panchayat. So what is the implementation plan that we are going to use? We are going to create the UI design. We are going to develop an intuitive interface for easy navigation and the information access. We are going to develop the backend as well. We have the team of the backend. We are going to set up a secure database for storing the information on services, officials, and activities. And secondly, we are going to integrate the communication tool for the direct contact with the panchayat officials. Third one is we are going to develop the front end, implement these user interface using the framework like Kotlin and etc. according to our need. And fourth one, we are going to implement the testing. So in testing, we are going to test all the scenarios which we have provided in our application. We are going to conduct through the test through rough testing for the functionality, usability, and security. We are going to deploy the application on the Play Store for the major vast range of the people's community with ongoing support and the updates. So what is the benefits here? For residents, there is a easy access for the panchayat services, increase the transparency and the better engagement in the local governance. And for the panchayat officials, as we can see, the streamlined communication with the residents and the efficient service delivery. And for the government agencies, improved monitoring of the panchayat activities and the scheme implementation. What is the future enhancement that we are going to provide in our application? We are going to integrate the AI personalization service recommendation and expansion to include other local governance body. And in addition, we are going to addition of feedback and the grievance redressal and the mechanism. Partnership with NGOs and the other organization of the community development project. So these are the basic future enhancement, and these are the basic benefits that we are going to provide in our application. So thank you everyone. So if you have any idea, and if you want to implement this idea in the Android application, you can just drop a mail to the contact@codersarts.com. So thank you for being with us.